In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom Canva frames using both Canva and Figma. This is part one of our series, and we're going to explore the initial steps involved in this creative process. First, we need to start with our collaborative interface design tool, Figma. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's an amazing platform that allows for real-time collaboration on design projects, and it's perfect for our purpose today. So the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate to Figma's website. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. If you already have an account, simply use your login credentials to access your dashboard. If you're new to Figma, you'll want to create an account by following their straightforward sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself at the Figma homepage. This is where all your recent files and sharing options are displayed. Now it's time to jump into the design section. Look for the design tab and click on it. This is where you'll create the frame you're planning to export and use in Canva. Go ahead and design your frame as you envision it, using the tools available in Figma. Adjust shapes, colors and lines according to your creative requirements. Remember, Figma's tools are intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop elements with ease. Once your design is complete, it's crucial to export it correctly. Head over to the export options by clicking on the Export button. For our purpose, we're going to choose the SVG format. SVG or Scalable Vector Graphics is a great choice for importing into Canva because it maintains image quality at any size and is widely supported by design tools. When you've selected SVG, it's time to save your work. Go to the main menu in Figma, which you can access through the upper left corner of the screen. Click to reveal a drop-down menu and choose File. From there, select Export again, making sure the SVG option is still enabled. And there you go, you've now successfully exported your custom design from Figma and it's ready to be brought into Canva for further customization. In the next video, I'll show you how to incorporate this design into Canva to create stunning custom frames. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped demystify the initial steps of using Figma for your design needs. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive into the fun of applying these frames in Canva.